Gentlemen, almost 5,000 years ago, in 2697 BCE, something remarkable took place in ancient China. The Yellow Emperor ordered the first complete medical book in human history. This text, called the Huangdi Neijing, changed how people understood the human body. It described 365 specific points that could affect health, energy, and strength. Among these points was one considered so powerful for male vitality that it was kept for emperors, generals, and martial arts masters. This point was called Guan Yuan, which means origin gate or gate of vitality. Chinese doctors found that stimulating this single spot for just 60 seconds could restore masculine strength in ways that impressed even the imperial court. What makes this even more impressive is that Shaolin monks, starting around 495 AD, added this pressure point to their daily training. These monks, known for their amazing physical skills and long lives, practiced this method every morning before sunrise. Many lived well beyond 90 while keeping the strength and flexibility of men half their age. They called it awakening the inner fire. The point they identified, now known as CV4 in modern acupuncture, lies where several energy pathways meet, pathways linked to circulation, hormone balance, and sexual health. Ancient Chinese writings called it the Sea of Energy because activating it was believed to unlock the body's deepest energy stores. Modern studies show that this area matches nerve pathways that directly affect the autonomic nervous system and hormone control. I'm Dr. Laura, and for 14 years, I've studied how ancient healing methods can support modern men's health. When I first heard about CV4 from traditional Chinese medicine experts, I was doubtful, but the anatomical science behind it is clear. This single pressure point sits over the dantian, what Chinese medicine calls the body's energy center. Modern anatomy shows it is located above important nerve networks that control blood flow and hormone activity. What interests me most is that this isn't mystical energy talk, it's practical anatomy. Pressing CV4 stimulates the hypogastric nerve plexus, which directly affects blood flow to the pelvic area. It also activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for rest, repair, hormone production, and sexual response. Sharing these ancient methods from cultures that understood the body so deeply truly fascinates me. If you're finding value in these time-tested practices that have helped men protect their vitality for thousands of years, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell me where you're watching from. Are you in a busy modern city or somewhere closer to these ancient traditions? Your support truly encourages me to keep sharing these forgotten techniques that can improve men's lives. And don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more ancient wisdom for us to explore together. Now, let me show you how to find and stimulate your CV4 point using the same method Chinese masters have practiced for centuries. After I explain this exact technique, I'll also share a special 3-ingredient mixture that ancient monks used to greatly boost the effects of this pressure point.
First, locating your CV4 point. Place your hand flat on your lower abdomen with your little finger touching your navel. Your ring finger will sit over your CV4 point, about 4 finger widths below your belly button, right along the center of your body. You'll know it's the right place because it may feel slightly more sensitive than the surrounding area. That sensitivity signals the nerve pathways we want to stimulate. The correct method requires proper positioning. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. This relaxes your stomach muscles and allows better access to the point. Put the pads of your middle and ring fingers on your CV4 point. Apply firm, steady pressure. Strong but comfortable, never painful. You should feel the pressure moving inward toward your abdomen. Begin steady breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 2, and exhale for 6 counts. This breathing style activates your parasympathetic nervous system and strengthens the pressure point's effect. Keep the pressure and breathing going for exactly 60 seconds. You may notice warmth, tingling, or a gentle pulsing. These are signs of nerve activation and better circulation. Do this every morning right after waking up. Your nervous system is most responsive during the shift from sleep to being awake. Now here's the extra formula I mentioned, the special mixture Shaolin monks use to enhance their CV4 practice. They learned that drinking a certain blend 20 minutes before their pressure point session greatly increased the benefits. The Shaolin energy formula includes green tea, ginseng powder, and dried dates. Make 1 cup of green tea, add half a teaspoon of ginseng powder while it's still hot, and eat 3 dried dates with the tea. The science behind this blend is impressive. Green tea contains L-theanine, which relaxes your nervous system and makes it more responsive to stimulation. Ginseng improves circulation and strengthens your body's reaction to nerve activation. Dried dates supply natural sugars that support your nervous system without causing sudden energy drops. This combination prepares your autonomic nervous system for the best response. When you then practice the CV4 method, your body is already in the ideal condition for maximum results. For best outcomes, take the Shallon Energy Formula 20 minutes before your CV4 practice. This traditional blend has supported men's vitality for more than 15 centuries. Let me set realistic expectations for your progress. In week 1, you'll feel nerve activation during practice, warmth, tingling, or pulsing. Your daily energy may start to steady. In week 2, morning circulation improves noticeably. Many men report stronger morning function returning. By week 3, the combined effects become clear: steady energy, improved sleep, and greater vitality. By week 4 and beyond, the full benefits appear as your nervous system adjusts to regular stimulation. There are 3 common mistakes men make with this method. First, pressing too hard, thinking stronger pressure works better. CV4 responds to steady, moderate pressure, not force. Second, practicing inconsistently. This method depends on nerve conditioning, which requires daily repetition. Skipping days slows your progress. Third, expecting instant results. While some men feel quick changes, full benefits build over weeks of steady practice. Important safety notes: never use painful pressure. If you have abdominal problems or recent surgery, speak with your healthcare provider first. If you found this ancient knowledge helpful, give this video a thumbs up so more men can learn these proven methods. Subscribe for more content that connects traditional wisdom with modern health science. Comment below with 2 words, trying Shallon. I want to see who's ready to combine this monastery energy formula with the CV4 pressure point method. I'm Dr. Laura. Ancient pressure point practice plus traditional energy blend. 2,000-year-old wisdom still improving lives today. Thanks for watching.